Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I finally received my mounting arm, my wall mounting arm for my camera. So instead of you seeing tripod legs in my camera, in my videos, you won't see them anymore. And I'm in my office, and I am going to mount it above my desk right there. Right there. So it'll be directly above my desk. Now, let's open this and see what it look like. And I will do a product review on it soon. You know what? I should have got some scissors before I came in here. So let me find some scissors and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the arm, the mounting arm. And it's a booklet here, and it's by Neewer, I guess is how you pronounce it. Instructions, I guess. Thank you. Ooh. Okay. So it's thank you, and this is the arm. Here we have the mounting arm. This is the back plate, which would mount to the wall. Here, I'm going to mount it right there. Oh man, you know what? This doesn't come with any screws. I'm gonna have to do a review on this one because there is no screws here now, so I have to find my own screws. Well, let me make sure and check in this box. Nope, no screws. How can you send a mounting arm with no screws? Interesting. Alright, good thing I have some screws. So, anyway, I am going to get this mounted on the wall, and I'll be back. Now, as I screw this in, the bracket that I put in the wall, the anchor. Let me see if I can show you one. The anchor that I put in the wall expands. So this is what it looks like. You can see that. The screw looks like. And I take this screw out. Take the screw out of the anchor. Right? Oops. That yellow tips always fall out. And then I put... Whoops, I dropped it. I dropped it, you guys. Okay. I put this anchor into the wall because I didn't hit a stud. I thought I was hitting a stud, but I didn't. So I put this into the wall, into the drywall, and then put the bracket up and put the screw in there. And as I screw the screw in, the bracket expands and grabs onto the wall, so it won't come out. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna put this last screw in, which is a little bit off, so I don't know if it's gonna even go in. We'll try it though. So yeah, this is the last one. Then my wall, my video mount, camera mount is up. But what I'm noticing is it's a little long. I don't know, it might work. We'll see um, if it'll work. This one. Alright, see how it tightens up? That means that the bracket expanded. The bracket expanded and grab hold of the wall so it won't come out. See, it's nice and sturdy now. Now this is, I like this bracket, this mount, because you can take it out and it has two sides. Like this is the regular camera mount that I will be using. I think it's what, a quarter of an inch. I don't know. Oh no, this is smaller. So this is probably 3/8 of an inch. I'm not sure. And this is the 1/4 inch side, but I'm going to be using the smaller side. So all you have to do is put it in there and tighten it up, and you're ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm going to mount my camera up there. I'll show you a picture of my camera being mounted up there. And I think I really like this. I give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon.